Hey! In front of me is OPPO Reno6 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it through Bluetooth. Firstly, go into settings and tap on Bluetooth over here. Then click on the switcher to activate it and wait for available devices to show up. When they do, you need to tap on the one that you wish to connect to and wait for the pop-up to show up. Over here, you need to select pair and wait for this device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected through Bluetooth, but you can always disconnect them by clicking on this little icon next to the device and choosing Unpair. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!